Hello, my fellow viewers. Today I will be reviewing a special gun that I got yesterday. But I'm going to go get the gun.
If I'm in it, I'm going to do it right.
You are not in this. You are not
We're married. How am I not in this?
Married, Skylar. We're divorced.
It is the doesn't have a name. Comes with 3 bolts. You can get this in any color. It comes with 3 targets, and it's pretty good. It's like a slingshot because see this right here. This is holding on to the bullet, and then we let go of the bullet, so it doesn't. It kind of shoots. Looks cool, but it doesn't shoot. Now I'm gonna show you how far it shoots. Hit my drum. Now that was pretty cool. And I'm gonna leave this right here. And we are going to get the bullet. I'm gonna show you a new one. Ooh, just stepped in my cat's vomit.
I hope you like pie. It's a nice idea for Mr. It sounds like a cliche, but indeed, it's just like my mother used to make it. Come on. You can help me cook. This is a Chilean dish that I love, but I never get to make it. Kids won't eat it. But, you know how it is. I'm sure. Do you mind? What would you process the garden? Very good. Why did you invite me here? We're working together. Why not play together?
Now I'm going to show you the deploy. Came with the strap. It's a cocker. Has a little scope right through here. And when you shoot it, it goes pretty far. It has a light right here. So now I will shoot it.